Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, students, in this video we are going to discuss about our next two topics, which are Roman numerals and the symmetry. So first of all, let's discuss about the Roman numerals. Okay, boys, all of you have wall clocks on your houses. So some wall clocks are labeled like this wall clock, which I have over here. This type of numbers are written or printed on the wall clocks. So boys, if you observe these type of the writing style or the number style, this number style is known as Roman numerals. So before discussing about Roman numerals and how the numbers can be written in the form of Roman numerals, let's discuss about the origin of Roman numerals and what are the background of Roman numerals from how they originate. So the background of Roman numerals is the Roman numerals originated, as the name might suggest, in ancient Rome. It's originated basically from Rome. There are 7 basic symbols: this I form, this V form, this X form, L, C, D and M. These are the basic 7 symbols which are used in the Roman numerals. The first usage of the symbols began showing up between 900 and 800 BC. These symbols are shown in these two eras. The numerals develop out of a need for a common method of counting, essential to communications and trade. So basic need of these Roman numerals, which is originated from Rome, is it become essential for communication, and it is very useful method for the counting, and it is very helpful for the trade. So now let's discuss about the Roman numerals. So basic Roman numerals are, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 to 10. So 1 to 10, here are some basic Roman numerals, Roman numbers, which are written in the form of, if we put single I, then we can say that it is a 1, then 2 I's become 2, 3 I's become 3, 1 and V becomes 4, and single V becomes 6, and up to so on. It will be discussed in detail later on. So here are some numerals which are the basic symbols used for in the Roman numeral language. First one is I, second one is V, X, L, C, D and M. So what are these numbers used for, these symbols used for? So this I is used for 1, this V is used for 5, this X is used for 10, this L is used for 50, this C is used for 100, and this D is used for 500, this M is used for 1000. So you have to learn them by heart. These 7 symbols you must remember these symbols, that what numbers they are stands for. So what are Roman numerals, and what are the basic concept of the Roman numerals, and how we can write any number in the form of Roman numeral? There are some criteria which is written over here, which is described over here. Roman numerals are a system of letters that represent numbers. So in Roman numerals we use letter to represent the numbers. In this system, a letter placed after another of the greater value adds. It's mean this X shows the tens. It is the greatest value. If any number written after it, it will be added in it. Like this is 10 and this 1 is added, so this whole number will become 11. But this one, if this 1 is written behind this number or before this number, then it will be subtracted. How it will be subtracted? In next example you can see that if 1 is written before 10, then we can say that it's not an 11, it's become 9. So if any number written after the greater number, we can say that it will be added, and the number which is written before or which is written in behind the greater number, we can say that it will be subtracted. So here is your textbook page. There are few examples over here. which will be very helpful for solving these practice questions for you. So let's discuss about example number 3. Write the Roman numeral for 11 and 19. You have to use this Roman numeral symbols to write 19 and 11. So x is 10, so 1 after x becomes is 1 more than 10. So we can say that x1 will become 11, x2 will become 12, and up to so on. When we write it in the up to 19, then we can say that x1x is 9, so 10 plus 9 becomes 19. So Roman numerals to next example is the Roman numerals for numbers 200 make use of other letters. Now here they are saying that use other letters as well, which are the basic letters. We have discussed before the 7 basic letters which are used for the Roman numerals. So here are some letters which are used to describe the greater values like 20, 30, 40, 50 up to 100. These numbers are written over here, so we can add these two examples and solve the example number 5. What number does XXX19 represent? XXX means it becomes 30, and this 9 will shows that 39. This XXX will shows 30, and this 19 will become 9. So XXX1x represent 39. With the same procedure, you have to solve these practice question on your loose sheet in form of any problem. If you get any query, you can ask me, or you can send me any message. So next, on page number 25, here is another work which you have to solve on your loose sheets. It is write the Roman numerals for these numbers. So here numbers are given and you have to convert these numbers into numerals. So in previous example, there are numerals given and you have to write them in the form of numbers. But in next example, you have to write the numerals and the numbers are given over here.